Again, my name is Reese Shearer, Application Engineer with Swoosh Technologies and Solutions. And I want to thank you all for joining in on this webinar. For today's session, here are some of the items I'm going to cover, some of the drawing templates, where to find those in the root directory, how to set the drawing formats up along with the title blocks, create some template attributes, and there's many of them out there, and I can show you how to find those within Siemens help documentation. And then if you care to have a custom tab within your NX templates, you can set that up too for your particular group. So first, I'm going to show you some of the drawing templates. Out of the box, Siemens has templates set up, and it's going to be stored in your root directory. And there are places that they can be stored on your company server and have all your client machines point to those. So anything with a alphanumeric, that's going to be metric, and then alpha is actually going to be your English units of measure. And there are two paths to setting up your drawing formats. You can go ahead and create a blank file and start building your template that way, or you can go ahead and use one of the templates that's already out of the box, and then go ahead and modify that out of the box template drawing title block inside of there. So jumping into NX, let me bring that up for you. Your templates in version 12 are in a different location, so you can find those in your root directory for NX 12, and that's going to be under NX 12 drafting and templates. If you're using a older version of NX, you're going to find that in your root directory again, depending on your version of NX, it's going to be under the UGII templates, and they all there for NX 11. So you could start a brand new file, have it blank, but for speed of this webinar, I'm going to go ahead and open up a template in my NX 12, and I'll just pick a metric template to start off with. So once you have it open, I can see that, this isn't the information I want to see. Maybe I need to get rid of all of the dimensioning in millimeters note. I need to modify the logo of the title block. The drawing format isn't quite as clean as I would like it to be. So I'm just going to go over to drafting. And for my borders of my drawing, slide that away so you can see this. You have some options in different groups that you can modify. So if I look at the borders, go ahead and expand that. Also, if just to back up a little bit, you have this little cog up in the top left corner of your dialog box. If you're not seeing everything that I'm seeing on my screen, you can see something disappeared on here, and I'm not quite sure what it was. But if you just hit that cog, hit the check mark next to it, I'm going to see there's a setting group that opens up. So just to be aware of that. Also, as I hover over top with some text, it's highlighting what that particular function is going to happen once I toggle that on and off. Maybe I need to turn these off. And the same with my centering orientation marks. I'm going to leave my zones on. I could see, the margin on one side, I've got 15 as opposed to 5 on the other 3. So I'll go ahead and clean that up. And just go ahead and hit apply. So it's a read-only part because I don't have access to that. Format looks pretty good.